Good morning, guys. Today we are going to discuss about multi-file connection manager in SQL Server Integration Services or SSIS manager. So, multi-file connection manager, nothing but guys. Suppose if you have similar kind of files, either it's a CSV or Excel or any TXT files. Okay. Suppose if you have similar kind of files in any folder, maybe 200, 300 with the same structure. If you want load all files into our SQL Server destination or OLEDB destination. So for this kind of requirement, we use the multi-file connection manager. Now we can see how we can use and what is the benefit for that multi-file connection manager. We can see one by one. As we discussed, uh, uh, suppose if we have similar kind of and same structure kind of files available in any folder, we can use that multi-file connection manager and we can do that. So we can use for each loop also, but for time being, I want to discuss with this one why you use the multi-file connection manager, where do you use. Okay, suppose I have some data is there in my E drive. If you open this one, I have 10 files are there with the same data. I mean, same data structure. If you open any kind of file, if you see here, customer, person ID, territory ID, row GID, and modified data and everything, it's something like that. I have same structure. And okay, if you open territory 2, same structure. Okay, so like this, I have data. So my requirement is I want to load all data, all these files into any SQL Server table or something like that. Okay. So now we can see how we can create a sys package for this, and we will see. Okay. I'm just closing this. I'm going to Visual Studio. Okay. So just right click on new sys package. What is my package here? Package 1. Okay. I just want to rename that package. Package name maybe what you can tell multi multi-file uh, connection manager. Okay. So once okay, S to all. That's it. So okay, this is our package. Okay, now we can see. Suppose if you want to create any package, if you want to load the data from source to destination, what is required for that? So obviously, many times we discuss. Obviously, we require one data pro task. Okay, so just click here and drag and drop here. I'm just renaming for this. Okay, I'm just renaming for this DFT task name is multi-file connection manager. Okay, yeah, multi-file connection manager. Okay, so once you give that rename or any name for that, you just click here. It will open here. Now you can see what is my source. Yes, my source is a CSV file. If you're not sure about that, here you can see the type. So my source is a CSV file, and I want to load. I want to load all 10 CSV into SQL Server destination or OLEDB destination. Okay. So for that, okay, first you need to take one what you call other sources. Go to other sources and just take one plot file connection manager here. Okay. And what is your destination here? So OLEDB destination. So, okay, maybe EC2. I'm just deleting one. Okay, before that, I want to show you something here. Okay, so when you see here in connection manager tab is there, right? Here you can see all our connections here. Whatever we are going to be created for Excel connection manager, SQL Server connection manager, even the flat file connection, everything is here. Okay, now we just click here, right click, and it will ask what is our connection. Okay, for that, if if you see here, just right click here and new file connection manager. So it will ask the what is the usage type, already existing file or something like that. Okay, but don't click anything. Okay, just cancel. Okay, okay, just ignore that. And just right click here, click on new connection, and then you can see variety of connections available here. Either AutoNet or something like that. You can see more n number of file connection types are here. So, so just click on the multi-plot file. Okay. So multi-plot file. Suppose if it's a Excel, then you just put out a multi-file. Otherwise, it's a raw data or anything. You just click on it's a multi-plot file connection. Okay. Just click on add. Okay. Now it will ask that what is the location for that. Okay. Just rename it to multi-plot file connection manager, guys. Okay. So see the magic here. So whenever it's asked, suppose if it's a normal CSV connection or plot file connection, it's just give it the file name or folder name. But now it's if we see here file names. Okay, now what we can do is just browse the wherever that our files are located. Okay, just click here, open. So there are no files here available. Okay, for one time, you just do one thing. You just click one file. Okay. So instead of giving the file, just put it at like this, guys. Okay, star CSV, which means it will automatically it will take all files from that folder. Okay, so if you want to specify one file, then you can just give it the file name or something like that. But you want to load all CSV files. For that, I'm putting is this condition. Okay. So that's it, guys. So once it's ready, you just go to columns. Okay, now you can see I didn't give any file name or something, but it automatically fetching that columns or not. If you observe here, see everything is everything is a fetching from there, right? So go to advanced. So if you want, suppose if you are not sure about what is the data types for the table, you're going to insert. So just make sure person ID, store ID, territory ID, and all. So by default, it's giving us some data type. If you want to change, we can change it out. Before that, we just go to here and you can check it out. What is the data types for this table? Okay. Otherwise, you just go here, script table as create. Okay. Just go to AdventureWorks and see. I'm going to here in AdventureWorks. I'm just clicking a table. Okay. And I want to create something this table in any other table. I want to load the data. Okay. So my table is a sales customer. Okay. Now I don't want anything, but I want to see only the data types for that. What is the data types and all? Okay. So if you're not sure about that, if you see here, customer ID is a int. Okay. So you can do one thing. You can put it as side by side, and you can change the data types. Okay. So first, my customer ID is in this one. That's why I want to change that to integer. So data types already we discussed earlier, so I no need to discuss about that. Okay, 8-bit signed integer. Okay, person ID, again person ID is a integer. Same, just change to person ID is a data integer. Store ID, I'm not sure, maybe it's a store ID also integer. Okay, just put it as an integer. Okay, territory, maybe it's a territory. Okay, so territory ID again, it's an integer. Okay, account number, guys. So account number, maybe it's a combination of some shaw algorithm or something maybe. they just use that account number. They just using AW plus this one. Maybe they use something. That's why you're not sure about that account number. That's why you're putting as what you call unsigned unsigned string. For that, DT Unicode string. Okay, Unicode string. Okay, that is fine. Row GAD again. You're putting as a what do you call WTSTR modified date. This is a date, guys. So if you want to put the date, how can you take? So just go to, don't take database date. A database date is nothing but the current system date and all. Okay. So if you see here, DT, that's it. Okay. Columns, advanced, preview. Yeah. So once it's ready, just click on here. Okay. So our plot file is ready. I mean, connection is ready. Then what we need to do is just go to here and check this one. Return also value from source. Okay. Columns. Everything is ready. Just preview it. Able to see some data, right? Close it. That's it. So the error gone. Now I want to set that table and I want to give that connection plot file to OLEDB destination and I want to load it. Before that, I want to create one table in MySQL. Then we can see. Okay. Um, Sales customer. I want to create only table structure in this one, guys. Where is, yeah, SSIS training. So I want to create, I want to load data in SSIS training DB. Okay. For that, use SSIS training. Okay. Nothing else. I'm just going to change that DB. Then I want to create only the structure of the table. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So if you want to create any table structure, just create something like that. Select star into uh, okay. Select star into you can put some customer table as is. Okay. Customer from into customer from where. So I want to fail the condition. Then if I suppose this one where 1 equal to 1, which means true. Okay, where 1 equal to 2, which means false. So whenever intentionally I fail the condition, that only the structure of the table only will be created in my source, guys. I mean, sorry, my destination. Okay, you just see. So because it's showing already table exists. That's why I just want to create some meaningful name. Customer multi. Okay, customer multi load or something. Okay. So now we can see. Okay, no rows, but I have same structure from this table. Okay. If you see this, select star from customer multi load. See, I didn't see any data, but my table structure is came. Suppose if you put very 1 equal to 1, okay, I'm just dropping this table, okay, drop table. Otherwise, suppose if you're not sure about if object, okay, if underscore object, okay, let it be. You can see that how you can write the table exists. Then how can you delete or something like we can see. Now I'm dropping table. Okay. Now you can see. Suppose if I put like this, the table structure along with the data it will come. Okay. Say 90,820 records got inserted in this table. Okay. Yeah, like that. Okay. Now again, I want to delete. I mean drop the table and I want to only create a structure of the table. Okay. Yeah. So now you can create OLEDB destination connection. Then you just try to load the table. Okay. Now you can create a OLEDB connection here. So what you can do, just right click here. It will ask not okay. Anyways, first you set up the table. I mean, what you call connection. Then we can see. Okay, click on OK. That's it. Now we just try to map it. Okay. So what is my table name in SSIS training? It's a multi, right? Customer underscore multi. Okay. So yeah, multi load. Okay. Keep nulls. That's it. So just put is a mapping as is. So intentionally, guys, I want to I won't load this customer ID because it's identity column. So it's a useless. I mean, even I put I will see that some error. So I'm not mapping that column to customer ID to customer ID. Okay. That's it. Okay. Okay. That's it, guys. Just click on OK. Okay. Yeah. If you see any error, just account number cannot convert between Unicode to non-Unicode string data type. For that, what you can take, just take one what you call data conversion, and we can do that conversion. Okay, okay, data conversion. So right click, delete. Okay, data conversion. Okay, what is that? Account number. Yeah, here already WSTR is there, but not sure why it's showing error. Account number. What is that account number? Account number is so I bleeding Cheetos. Okay. Otherwise you can see here. Go to here. Tables. What is my table? Multi-load columns. Account number. Varchar of 10. Okay. So that is the way. Okay. Varchar of 10. So fine. DTST are also fine, but anyways, let me see. String. Okay. Let's see. Still, if it's not working, then we can do same kind of thing. So again, go to mappings and what is my new column here? Copy, right? Copy of account number. That's it. So maybe you can see the some truncation errors. Okay, fine. If maybe error and not whether it's a warning. You can it's fine. So everything is done. Okay. If you go to here, okay, that's it. Once it's ready, then you just hit the start button or debug. So now we can see that LiDAR is loading or not. Okay. Yeah, something got inserted. If you see your progress, so see, all files data got inserted or not here. Yeah, almost all files data got inserted. Okay. Now just close this. Okay. Go to control panel and I go to SQL and you can check data is a came or not. Okay. Okay. Data came or not. Yeah. Now you can see the data loaded or not, guys. So like this, we can insert all our data from multiple file to this one. We just forgot about this sorting order and all. So because maybe iterate ready because the file structure in folder may be something different like this. Okay, it's okay. Yeah, see you got data or not. Like this way, if you have multiple connections, I mean multiple source, multiple similar data files are available there, then you can use multi-plot file connection manager and we can do like this. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys. We will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.